Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be looking at personal injury compensation and how much compensation you may be entitled to if you've been injured in an accident which resulted in a leg injury. If you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Leg injuries can happen in so many different circumstances. This includes road traffic accidents and accidents at work. If your leg has been injured in an accident that wasn't your fault, and you're wondering how much compensation do you get for a leg injury, then I'll shortly be going over personal injury compensation levels, where we'll look at personal injury and car accident injury compensation amounts to give you an idea of how much you may be entitled to claim. It's important to bear in mind that these amounts are just the award for the injury alone and don't include any amounts for things like loss of earnings or anything else. So we're looking at the table for leg injuries here, and we have a couple of different types of injuries. This is severe leg injury, so an example would be a fracture to the leg. We're looking at anything from £31,250 all the way up to £108,370. Then for moderate leg injuries, an example being a fractured femur, we're looking at anything from £22,130 right the way up to £31,250. For mild leg injuries, we're looking at anything from £7,270 right the way up to £22,130. I'd like to once again reiterate that these figures are the amounts that you may receive solely as a reward for the injury itself. It does not include the amounts of any loss of income from time off work or any expenses you've incurred because of the accident, which means that the amount of your claim is likely to be larger. But in order to get a fuller idea of how much compensation for leg injuries you may be entitled to, we recommend that you reach out to a personal injury claims specialist. The good news for you is that legalexpert.co.uk offers a completely free consultation where we'll talk through the accident with you in order to help you establish what your options are. You can speak to us whenever you'd like, as we're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on 0800 652 7676, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We'll be able to use our leg injury compensation calculator and our leg injury claim calculator to give you an idea of how much you may be entitled to in total, along with answering any questions like, what is the average compensation for a car accident in the UK? Following this consultation, if we believe that we're able to assist you in bringing a claim for a leg injury compensation claim, we may offer to represent you on a no-win, no-fee basis. Now, what this means for you is that there won't be any upfront fees to worry about, and if your claim was to lose, then there's not a penny to pay. Once again, if you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you could hit that like button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. Thanks. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.